Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable push notifications on TradingView account. So first we're going to go to the TradingView app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section on the lower right corner. Then here you're going to click on settings, which is found at the top right corner. Then there's the push notifications option. You're going to click on it. So since it's not turned on, we're going to enable it in settings. So it's going to take us to our system settings. Then click on allow notifications. Then when you go back to your TradingView app, as you can see, everything is turned on. All your push notifications are turned on. So it's such a helpful setting. Make sure to turn it on always. So that's how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.